Do you like making money? Do you like naked women or men? Porn? Well, this is gonna be a great video for you because I'm gonna show you how to make $100 a day with the #1 adult affiliate network or porn affiliate network called CrakRevenue. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not gonna show anything graphic in this video, and I'll have my editor edit out anything graphic that shows up. I know I have a lot of Muslim followers here, and I'm pretty sure you can't see naked women, so sorry, or naked men for that matter, so I won't be showing any, okay? So we're gonna go over this sheet where I have a bunch of affiliate networks listed out. As you see, I have all the top affiliate networks. If you want to follow along with me, you'll go to johncristani.com/networks, okay? And I have all the links to join and all of the various criteria that I've been measuring these affiliate networks on so you can figure out what affiliate networks are going to be the best fit for you. So we're going to be going over CrakRevenue here. I'm going to be going over the network information, who can apply, okay? I'm going to be going over the walkthrough of it. I'm going to be going over the top offers, how to get support, how to get paid, and how to apply. Now, once again, affiliate marketing is a business where the companies pay you to do affiliate marketing. CrakRevenue is great because they will accept people from any country, anywhere in the world. And I'm gonna go into that just in a second in my computer. Let's get it. Now, real quick, before we get started, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, how affiliation or affiliate marketing works is there are companies such as fanatics.com that want to sell their products and they're willing to pay a commission to people who sell their products for them. They contact an affiliate network like CrakRevenue or ShareASale and they say, we will pay you money. ShareASale or CrakRevenue in our case contacts affiliates and says, we will pay you a little less money than Fanatics will offer us if you can get people buying their products. So you post a link online, a URL, and somebody clicks it and they buy their product. And then Fanatics gives some of the money to ShareASale and ShareASale gives some of the money to you. So that's the circle and everybody makes money. Nobody loses. And that's what's great about affiliate marketing and anybody can do it. So let's get into this. Now, here we are in CrakRevenue, and to get to the application page, what you'll want to do is you'll want to click on the link that says CrakRevenue on the network sheet. Again, the network sheet is right up here, johncristani.com/network. Feel free to pause my video. Now, they are a porn network and you do need to get approved to get to their network, okay? And they are looking at various criteria. If you want some information on how to get approved by CrakRevenue, make sure you go over down here to the resources tab. And I created a little thing, a little document called how to get accepted as an affiliate. And this has some various information that I'm not going to waste your time with right now on how to get accepted by affiliate networks, okay? Just some key points right here. Again, we're reviewing CrakRevenue, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. Okay, there's also some additional resources here that should help you promote. So here on CrakRevenue, you'll go to log in or sign up if you haven't signed up yet. So once you've logged into CrakRevenue or been accepted or whatnot, you'll see that we're here on the dashboard and you'll see some of the top offers, the featured offers right here. You'll also see your affiliate ranking. I really like this. I'm super competitive. I mean, you know, some people say don't focus on your competitors. I focus on them and I try to beat them. I copy them and then I beat them. You can see they have 77,000 other affiliates that are part of their network. So basically, you're one of 77,000 people, right? So you gotta, you know, most people don't make money in affiliate marketing because they don't do anything or they don't know how to do anything. They're not learning. So you wanna be some of the top. And the average, there's, as you see, I don't know exactly how this system works, but it's pretty cool. They have a lot of interesting information over here though, as you'll see. So we have statistics, we have offers, and we have different widgets. I'll go over the tools in just a second here. So this is actually one of the best affiliate networks that I've seen. They've done this really well where they're showing you, I mean, this is kind of funny. International Masturbation Month, right? Jerkmate, a webcam offer. There's a lot of guys who like watching girls on webcams, you know, just kind of like hang out. You know, I could, you know, it's a business. I could hang out and, you know, like flash my boobs or something. I won't, don't worry. Sex emulators. There's all sorts of stuff where you can make money, you know, dating, hookup sites, etc. Now, we're most interested in the top offers. So the #1 offer, let's go over here. So as we scroll down on the offers here, you'll see there's 757 different products that you can sell on here. And you'll see them all listed out. You know, you can promote things in all countries, in the United Emirates and Turkey and in Portugal, Italy, all over the world. People watch porn. You know, sorry not to make fun of Muslims again, but even in Muslim countries, they watch porn. You know, this is the United Arab Emirates right here. So the point is, it's a great thing to market because people all over the world want it. It's the oldest profession. So we go over here, and what we want to sort by is we want to sort by EPC, okay? EPC, which means earnings per click. You can mouse over that right here. Earnings per click. And they explain it here. I'm not going to go into it further, but make sure, I mean, part of being an affiliate is being resourceful. Again, this is something where you can earn a lot of money, but it's because you have to teach yourself. A job doesn't pay a lot of money because we already know what to do, right? When I hire people for jobs, I already know what they should be doing. A job, you are replaceable, okay? Which is why you don't earn a lot of money. Remember, if you're working a job, you are replaceable, okay? That's why it's called a job. The job can be given to anybody else. You're never going to be rich at a job because you are replaceable, okay? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, or leave a comment below if you think that jobs are irreplaceable. Again, you need to determine your own income. If somebody else is determining your income, it means you're replaceable. They have the leverage, right? But if you can go to your boss and say, hey, I want you to triple my pay tomorrow, and he'll do that, then you're probably more of a salesperson than anything. So let's go down here. We sorted by EPC. We're gonna look for what pays us the most amount of money. I'm gonna scroll back up real quick, and let's look at the top offers. So you'll see they've listed out the top offers for you. And if you want to make $80 a day from CrakRevenue, you'll promote Blue Chew, okay? Blue Chew, you need to get one sale of Blue Chew a day. Blue Chew is kind of like Viagra, and you need to get one sale of that a day to start making $80 a day. Now, if you want to learn how to start getting traffic to your affiliate links, you'll go to this page right here, free traffic methods, okay? Type that in, subscribe to my channel, and go to my homepage and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says free traffic methods, and I show how you can promote your affiliate links for free on Instagram, Facebook, Google, YouTube, you name it. It's super easy to get your link out there, folks. It's not rocket science. I mean, everybody thinks it's super hard. It's not. So let's look at what Blue Chew looks like, okay? What is the actual product you're promoting? It's this, you know, it says, do you want better sex? Have stronger and longer erections, okay? And again, this is all safe for work, but as you'll see, they're selling Viagra basically in a pill. Let me explain some of the terminology. So I'm gonna scroll down on the offer screen. I'm gonna spend a little extra time in this video explaining all of the terminology on the offers. Now, if you don't like this, let me know. Again, these videos are for you. If you want more information, more explanation on the offers, let me know. Again, I can go into any of these subjects. I could spend hours just talking about free traffic methods. I could spend hours talking about affiliate pages. But let me know what's most helpful for you, if I went too long or gave you too much information or too little information or just right. So type that, too little, too much, just right. This is dating.com, right? The ID is just a thing for their system. We see mainstream, you know, this is again porn terminology. I'm not going to go too deep into that, but SOI, and you'll see payout type is SOI. That means single opt-in, okay? That means you have to get somebody to actually opt in to the site here to start earning money. They want you to get people to fill out this information. Chat, you know, perfect dating, chat, watch, flirt. Hot girls ready to chat. I am a man seeking a woman, okay? And then you need to get people to enter their information. Once they enter their information, how you get paid is you will get 75% of whatever people end up signing up for. Now, the way these dating sites work is you can sign up for free, but in order to actually message people or message people back, you have to actually pay money. So what usually happens is a person will sign up, some girls will start chatting with him. You know, there's prostitutes on these sites that are just paid to chat with guys, and they chat with the guy and he gets excited and he says, what did she send to me? What did she say to my message? And then he's like, oh, I have to pay 20 bucks a month to see what she sent me. And so then he says, okay, well, she's hot and I might get laid, so I'm gonna pay the 20 bucks a month. And then you earn 75% of that. So you'll get 15 bucks a month. Okay, that's the way this all works. And this is one of their top offers on the site, okay? And you'll see that it performs well They're giving you the countries right here. They're saying it performs well in Canada, US, UK, Australia. So that gives you kind of an idea of where you want to promote it. Also, you can click on the offer. I'm just clicking anywhere in this kind of general area, and you can click on the offer and it'll give you a little more information sometimes. It says CrakRevenue's hot pick, read more. This is one of our top converting offers. And once again, this means if you're promoting it and you're not making money, again, don't complain. You know, either go back to your job and stop complaining, or stop complaining and figure out how to make it work. That's the goal. You know, I see a lot of complainers on my channel. I'm not a fan of complainers. If you're a complainer, please unsubscribe. I don't want you here. I'm looking for people who are actually going to put stuff into practice and make money, because if you don't make money, I don't make money either. So you'll see here, there's payout tiers. Now what that means, payout tiers, is that they will pay you more if you get people from these countries, such as Canada, US, Singapore. They'll pay you, $6, I guess, per opt-in. I was wrong about the 75%. I think it looks more like they'll pay you $6 if you get somebody to fill out that form from these countries. They'll pay you $3.75 if you get people to fill out the form from these countries. And if you get people signing up for their dating site from Brazil or Mexico, they're only going to pay you $2, okay? So this kind of gives you an idea of, it just depends on where you want to advertise, but you can get paid anywhere. We scroll down and we see EPC, and once again, that means on average, you can expect to make 36 cents every time you send somebody to that page. So why 36 cents? Let's look at these payout tiers again, and let's just figure most of the people are coming from these countries, right? 375. We can do some quick math and we can say, okay, 375 divided by 36 cents. That means it takes about 10 clicks to get somebody to opt in. Or the other way around we could do it is we could do 0.36 divided by 375, and we can say they have about a 10% conversion rate. So on average, you would expect about 10% of the people you send to this site, dating.com, to sign up. And why is this number useful? Well, this number is useful because, understanding EPC and how it affects conversion rates. Let's say you send 100 clicks and nobody signs up. Well, you're doing something wrong then, right? You got to figure it out. And this is why, in my program, the Super Affiliate System, I teach people how to use landing pages, because likely to really make almost anything work in affiliate marketing, you need to use landing pages. I'm not going to discuss too much about landing pages here. If you want to learn more about landing pages, check out my other videos. I have videos on my channel. A way you can search my channel is you can click this icon right here and you can search landing page, right? And some videos will show up how to create a landing page, how to create a sales funnel, all that stuff. So you get a lot of information about that. Let's say lander. So once again, you have information about landing pages there. Now, the next thing you should note is that this is an offer where you have to request approval. So unlike, Digistore or ClickBank, you have to actually request approval. And in this, I would say, okay, apply for approval. And I'll just say like email, right? That's kind of a safe thing, I'll just say it. It doesn't mean I'm going to promote it that way. It's just kind of like, I just want them to approve my request. And you can also see what they don't accept down here. They say they don't accept social media, spam, SMS, content marketing, chat, incentive, adult, sub-affiliation. I'll just say, so again, my thing is I just want to get approved, so I say send. And they'll get back to me in a few days. Again, you shouldn't lie on this. If you're not actually going to promote through email, then don't say it, And you'll see up here it says pending approval. And you can apply to a lot of offers too, but you should have an idea of what you want to promote anyway. Let's go over more things. In regards to support, CrakRevenue doesn't really offer much support unless you're making like tens of thousands of dollars a month, but they do offer a lot of really interesting tools. They offer training and they offer a community. Now, in order to get access to their training, you can just click the link that says training there. And they have a whole knowledge base. They say 7 days of becoming an affiliate. They have a whole training on how to be an affiliate. They give you all these articles and information. They answer all your questions. Again, don't ask me, how do you get paid? you know, how fast did the payments, country restrictions, etc., how to generate traffic, what are some ways to generate traffic. This is all great resources. You should go through all of this if you're intending on promoting pornographic offers. Okay, there's a lot of money in porn. Okay, CrakRevenue pays out around $100 million every year to different affiliates that promote porn products. So you can make a lot of money doing this. They give you tips, they give you verticals, they explain everything. I suggest you really start going through all of this information and really start learning things. Again, there's no reason not to, especially if you're looking to make this a real career. And in regards to actual tools, I mean, CrakRevenue is, I'd say, one of the most amazing affiliate networks in terms of the tools they allow you to. I haven't even looked through all of this. You can set up a live webcam widget. Yeah, this is amazing because, you know, you can set up your own landing page. You know, this is basically a landing page builder that will put kind of like a fake webcam of a girl that looks like she's stripping or something like that, or that chats with you. It's amazing. So you can create these landing pages, chat landing pages, rules landing pages, etc., just through their thing here. And here's how you can create your rules landing page. And again, I'm not going to walk you through, you know, I don't have the time to walk you through everything here. This video is already going a bit long, but again, you can play around with this and you can create your own landing pages very quickly, very easily. The cost to join CrakRevenue is $0. And also their payment methods, they have a lot of payment methods. They'll pay you through PayPal, check, wire, Paxum, or ACH. So really any way you want to get paid, they're going to pay you. Again, porn affiliate networks, very easy to work with. They just want you to make money, okay? And they'll pay you, and they'll be easy to pay you. And if you want to join CrakRevenue, I highly suggest it. CrakRevenue right here. Just click that link and you can get started with that. And guys, I mean, this is freaking simple, and marketing is freaking fun. So start doing this stuff. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you start applying the free methods. Join all of these affiliate networks so you start learning about this stuff. But folks, this is so easy. I see so many people complaining on in the comments that I don't let anybody see. I just, like, anybody who, you know, complains, I have an assistant who gets them off. Go out and do it. Test, test, test. Learn, learn, learn. And you can start making a ton of money, like hundreds of thousands of other people are all over the world. Affiliate marketing is the future. Now, if you want to join my #1 recommended affiliate network, which is Digistore, you can also go here, johncrestani.com/Digi. I have an amazing amount of resources on how to sell products online, and my product itself is selling almost $1 million a month right now, and we pay out about $500,000 a month to our affiliates. So if you want to start getting some of that money, make sure you sign up, you start promoting, and you start watching more videos about how to use my methods. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.